You say something.
Something. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
Alright, sige. So that wraps up our BCT Iglesia. So thank you so much for watching this video.
You're here, I'm there.
Bayad. Go to special, please. Ay, hindi pala dito. Ano ba?
And this is what we always go for.
Dito malagay yung 5 go. Kahit dyan mo naman ilagay.
And this is our finish line in the beautiful town of Biñan. Obviously my hands are shaking. Wow, it's so clean. It's so different, nga. It's different na. It looks more organized. This was a mess like last year. Yay! Oh boy. Oh, it's closed. Anyway. And they made this in the parking lot. There used to be a market here in the middle. Ano yan, Boko? Joke. Yay! Hey guys! Ayan o, my choice.
2 a.m.
Ha? Ayan ba?
Close siya.
Pero may guard daw sabi.
Oo.
May guard daw, may guard. Tawagin na lang yung guard.
Okay, let's go explore. This was once the house of Jose Rizal's mother. It was torn down to be relocated into a resort hotel in Las Casas de Acuzar, but they stopped deconstruction it because the people of Biñan doesn't want it removed. This is the municipality of Biñan. One of my favorite buildings. It's not old, I think it was just renovated. Check it out. Yay! This is like every architecture nerd's dream. This is the best part of my tour whenever I go here. Just to see this building all over again. They didn't turn on the red and the white lights, but yeah. Ain't it pretty? It's so weird to see it being a tarpaulin, but yeah, that's been like that for a while. Tourists. I'll show you the center. I think this is where we always get lugaw. Where's the lugaw? Oh, that's new. New statue. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, but they're still here. Oh, I think that's our favorite lugaw place. It's nice to know that even though everybody's so busy in their lives, this place is still open. Oh wait, I don't know what old structure this is, but it's one of my favorites here as well. Not because it's a Jollibee, but yeah, I'm happy it's still here. Look at that. Straight out of Ricky Martin, Christina Aguilera music video. And then me, this is the real Philippines. It's just raw. With the market, you know, organic stuff. And it's not, there's no shame in it. It's just open air. Nobody, it's all organized by the government, city government. And everybody's cutting down on plastic and, you know, being more sustainable. I guess this is coming back to life. Okay, this is the last station of the cross. Hopefully you can get in, but I don't think so. It's kind of closed. Yeah, this camera is kind of interesting because nobody feels afraid whenever I'm holding it right in front of my face. And yeah, welcome to the city of Biñan. Yay! Yay!
Saan sila? Sa loob?
Ng church? Oh, iniwan ka. Oh. Doon sila sarap. Sarap lang. Yay! Yay! Tapos na.
Mabilis man ako si Kuya, may flashlight.
Hi. And we finish at 2:05 basically. Stop at Visita Iglesia. Hey, first time. And he just bought those. He just bought the Gianot orienteering socks just this morning. Oh nga, relax, stretching.
Stretching para konti lang ang sakit.
Oo. And recovery run bukas or within 24 hours to 48 hours. That's why.
Matinding stretching.
Matinding stretching. You guys must see invisible socks.
Ito po, yung nakabag.
I present invisible socks. Yay! Congratulations, guys! Make a wish if it's your first time in the church. Okay, last picture, guys.
Doon na lang kaya tayo mag-picture.
Ayun o, si Fords, oh. Dumating na. Yay! Mawal pa. At least may lugaw na yan. Kung andito na pa rin yung lugaw. Okay, so,
Tara, kain tayo.
Fords, where did you come from ba?
Fords. Ano po? Magtindo ba lang? Tara,
You just drove? Okay. So he just biked all the way here to join us. It's now 2:20 a.m. Fords is our biker.
Circle.
Oo nga, matagal yan. Kanya-kanya lang.
Guys, big circle.
This is Mama, this is Papa.
Make a square.
Big circle.
Uy!
Guys, left side.
Uy, nakapaa kayo eh.
Left
Oo.
side, left side. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Guys, right side. Guys, ramdamin nyo yung stretch talaga kasi masakit yan. Mabilis.
Bilang mo kasi 10. 1,
Okay,
10, kabila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
low speed, reach.
Low speed, reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Push backward.